Welcome to the Cooler Report. I'm going to introduce our newest products on my left hand. This styling the trailers, as you can see, beautiful colors. And for the units, we're having the overall sizes from the manufacturers. The overall length is about like 150 inches, and the overall heights they are about like 84 inches, and the overall width they are about like 82 inches. As you can see, we're having the lights at front, and also you can see we have a big hinge at the front of the units. Entirely, they are about like 49 inches length, and they also having a brake handlebar right here. This one can assist you to parking the car when you need to use it, and also this one you can squeeze it, twist it, and adjust the height. And if you're looking at the units, we're having the 1, 2, 3, 4 windows, and they have a lockers on the door. As you can see, we have a door lockers right here. When you push down, it will release and open. And let's see the door sizes. The overall length for the door is about like 34 inches wide. And the height is about like 42 inches. They're having the gasket sealer over the door all around it. When you step in inside the trailers, we can take a look at the inside dimensions. This is the rear side of the trailers. You can see we have a tail light at behind, and this one is a hookup for the generators. Right here, they have a covers. And let's take a look at the dimension for the door. So this door is about like almost 636, 3 feet wide. And the overall height is about like 64 inches. For this door, you have to open from the inside. They have a lockers for the top lift, and the bottom, they open like this. Swing doors. Let's take a look at the inner side. When we step in the trailers, this unit also have a double door open on the side, and we can just push it. They open the door. Let's take a look at the measurements. The door entirely about like 49.5 inches in the length. And the overall height is about like 33.5 inches. Just for the door. As you can see, this unit is coming with the light strips on the both sides, and also preset like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5, 6, 7, 8. Also the same, like 8 connections, and also the generator hookups at the front. We will step in here to see that obviously, and have a light switchers on beside the door. And let's take a measurement for the floor. For this size, they having cover for the wheels. So let's take a look at the edge size. It's about like 8 inches tall, and the 12 inches deep, and 63 inches in the length. And for the trailer entirely, the unit's entirely about like 78.5 inches in the width. And the overall heights, they are about like 83.5 inches. And the length, entirely about like 143 inches for this length. And as you can see, we still have a small stage right here. The stage is about like 4 inches tall. And that's all the information about these trailers. And if you do have more questions, please contact us.